Something seismic just rippled through the photography forums and rumor mills. A fresh wireless certification filing, Model N 2010, linked to Nikon has surfaced, strongly hinting that the long-rumored Nikon Z7 III is not a myth but an imminent reality. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The inclusion of 5 GHz Wi-Fi, a luxury feature historically reserved for pro-grade bodies, confirms we're not dealing with an entry-level refresh but a heavyweight aimed squarely at working photographers and hybrid video shooters. Nikon's release cadence also lines up perfectly. Z9, 2021, Z8, 2023, Z6 III, Q1 2025. And now, evidence points to a late summer/early autumn 2025 announcement window for the Z7 III. If that schedule holds, press invites could drop as soon as July, with pre-orders opening in September, a classic Nikon playbook. Why does the triple-digit 7 series matter so much? In Nikon nomenclature, Z6 lined fast, affordable all-rounders, 24 MP. Z7 line high-resolution workhorses for print, studio, and detail-critical work, 4561 MP. Z8/Z9 flagship speed demons with 120 Hz EVFs, thick grips, and integrated batteries. The Z7 II, 2020, still holds its own for landscapes, but tech has leapt forward. Demand now centers on deeper bit depth, AI-driven autofocus, and 8K workflows. Enter the rumored 61 MP backside illuminated BSI CMOS sensor, believed to be a spin on Sony Semiconductor's unit used in the A7 RV, but paired with Nikon's proprietary color science. Resolution and dynamic range. Native 61 MP, 9504 by 6336 px. Dual gain readout for 15 plus stops estimated DR. ISO 64 base for maximal tonal headroom. Landscape shooters rejoice. Rumor, a 4-shot and 16-shot pixel shift mode that composites up to 244 MP RAWs in body, requiring no tether. Expect goosebump-inducing acuity for architecture and product catalogs. Borrowing from the Z8's architecture, the Z7 III reportedly houses dual XP7 processors. Y2. Pipeline stage workload XP7 duty. Sensor readout 61 MP at 20 frames per second processor A. AIAF matrix 493 PDAF nodes plus deep learning processor B. 8K 12-bit NRAW 2.4 gigabits S1 both, parallel. Together they promise 20 frames per second raw bursts, electronic, without viewfinder blackout. Real-time 3D tracking for birds, vehicles, and helmets. Simultaneous 8K 30p plus proxy 1080p capture to a second card. Nikon's Z9 put them on the AF map. The Z7 III turns that dial past 11. Expected feature set. 493-point cross-type PDAF grid extending 92% across the frame. Human, animal, bird, vehicle, and aircraft detection using a new Subject ID 2.0 algorithm trained on 4 times the dataset of the Z8. Low light sensitivity down to 7 EV, ISO 100, f/1.2, roughly moonlight. Eye velocity tracking, predictive model.